Hi guys, this is your assignment assignment one for math. So it says session one because it's assignment one, and it says story time activity. That little Spanish little button was actually if you needed it in Spanish, so don't worry about that because all of you are English speaking in the classroom, so you're fine. It says, and story time really is just you're going to get a set of five word problems, essentially. It's simple word problems, I think, but word problems nonetheless. And they are wanting you to do a little activity with it. So I'm going to explain that to you. It says divide a piece of paper into 3 columns, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a second. Label the first column addition sentence, the second column multiplication fact, and the third column product. Choose one of the 5 cards, and I'm going to show you those cards in just a second. Use counters, beans, buttons, rocks, etc. to model each problem. Record an addition sentence, a related multiplication fact, and the product, which is your answer to a multiplication problem, for each problem on the piece of paper. Repeat with the other 4 cards, okay? And I did not include the answer key in this. So let me show you real quick. You are going to get story word problems that look like this, and these are attached also. It says, Julio bought 4 boxes of crayons. Each box held 8 crayons. How many crayons did Julio have altogether? You're going to have to figure out what multiplication fact that is, and then figure out what the repeated addition would be, and what the answer would be. Ariel likes to collect bugs. She has 5 bugs. Each bug has 6 legs. How many legs does Ariel have in her collection? Number 3, Clarissa bought 4 stickers for each of her 7 friends. How many stickers did she buy altogether? Number 4, a car with a trailer has a total of 6 wheels. Aiden saw 4 cars with trailers while he rode the bus to school. How many wheels did he see? And number 5, Montrisha wants 3 sheets of her school picture. Each sheet has 5 pictures. How many pictures will Montrisha have altogether? So those are the actual story problems. And then I gave you an example of kind of what your paper should look like. So, and I just put up here, don't forget to build it with your own things from your house, rocks, stickers, beans, anything that they had mentioned in the assignment. Addition sentence, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 5 groups of 3, and your product would be 15. So all you have to do is read each of those word problems and see if you can create 5 5 of these to go with it. And let's see. Fact fluency. It says choose a fact to practice. Tear or cut 10 strips of paper and number them 1 to 10. Put the numbers into a cup or bowl. Reach in and draw one out. Multiply the number by the fact you chose. So if you chose 9s, for example, if I drew out a 3, I would say 9 times 3, and try to figure what that means. What the answer would be. Keep a tally chart of how many facts you get correct and how many more, or how many you need to practice more. So that's a great little fun way to practice your fluency. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.